Hi everyone, this is Rakesh and welcome back to my channel Nova's Ascending Decade. Today I will show you how to create an attendance report in pivot table. Also I will show you what kind of problem you will face while creating it and how to fix it. Okay, let's go. Let's generate a standard pivot table to identify the potential issues we might encounter. Okay, so for that we need to go to the Insert tab and go to Pivot Table section, and here from table range we need to select it, and okay, there you go. So this is the standard pivot table. We'll drag salesperson in the raw data and a date in the column section, and when we drag the attendance into value section C, instead of showing absent and present, it is showing a useless count. So it is not helping us. This is the main problem what I'm talking about. So now we'll see how to fix this issue. Okay. To fix this issue, we need to enable some advanced features in pivot table. Okay. So let's do that first. We need to go to the same pivot table section. But here we need to check this box, add this data to the data model. So once we add it to the data model, then only it will enable the advanced features of pivot table. Okay. So let's first try to pull these fields in the boxes so that we can see whether it is going to fix our problem or not. I will drag the salesperson into rows, date into column, and attendance into values. Still, we are encountered with the same problem. Okay, so we cannot drag the attendance directly to the values. First, we need to fix this column, and later we will drag it. Okay. So what I will do first, I will create a measure for that, and we will give a name for it. So I will mention attendance status. So make sure you should not give any spaces here or else it will hit an error. Okay. So here we will use a DAX measure called CONCATENATEX. And first we need to give a table name. So table name is nothing but this dataset name, which is called a range. Okay. So once you selected the range, and next we need to give the expression. Expression is nothing but the field name, that is a column name. So this is attendance. This is a column name is attendance. I have selected. Close it. The remaining things are optional, guys. So if you want, we can check that, but it is not that recommended. Okay. So after updating this, let's check whether your formula is correct or not. Okay. So the formula has no errors. We can mention okay. And now you see one additional field has shown here. We will drag this directly into values. So if you see here, it is showing the present, absent, everything, but still it is showing the grand total and grand total. So doing calculation on this text make no sense. So what we'll do, we will disable this option, turn off the grand totals. So there you go. So you can show the text directly inside the pivot table. See how simple it is. I hope you find this useful and share this video to those who are facing this kind of issues. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Nova's Ascendant Decade for more such an informative videos. See you in next video.